Hey everybody, Ian, Global Air Supplies down at One Stop's new Canuck Superstore. Just launched a full new range of controllers under the Global Air Supplies brand. So we've come down here, we're doing a bit of a display, I'm going to show you all about them today. So what I'll start with is the new step controllers. Step controllers are for AC fans only. You can't run an EC fan on a step controller, only AC fans. It's very old technology, but we've put a bit of a twist on it. So what we have here, we have an 8 amp Pro Plus. Basically the plus means that it's got a heater connection to it. So if you look at the side, on this side you can connect a heater on. So you set the temperature, set your minimum speed, set your maximum speed, and basically what will happen, your fans will ramp up and down in between your minimum and maximum speeds depending on temperature. But the great thing about this controller, what it will also do, when you're 2 degrees below set temperature, it will automatically turn your heater on, and then before you get to your set temperature it'll turn it off. So basically keeping your room running absolutely perfect all of the time. You'll notice we've got 2 power leads, so basically you have 1 power lead for the fans and the other power lead for the heater. So this will run a 2.5 kilowatt heater, no problem whatsoever. It works better on a fan heater because a fan heater is more reactive, so the fan heater will kick in and kick back out again, keeping your room temperature perfect. We do this in a 4 amp and an 8 amp, but then we also do the standard hybrid controllers, which basically are 2 sockets, which is your intake and outtake, minimum, maximum and temperature. So standard ones, Pro Plus with the heater element. Everybody's now recognised how great the Enviro controller is. Come down to One Stop, they've actually got an Enviro controller on the board, so you can come down, play with it, get used to it before you even buy it. Fantastic controller, does everything you can possibly need in a grow room environment. Turns heaters on, turns fans on, turns humidifiers on, dehumidifiers on. Probably, again, a little bit biased, in my opinion, the best controller in the industry at the moment. Then we go across to our really simple EC controllers. So what we have here is an EC speed controller. So this basically sets your maximum speed on your intake and your outtake, so you can balance that negative pressure. It's not thermostatic, so it's literally maximum speed on your intake, maximum speed on your outtake. Very simple, very cheap controller. Then you go to the EC1. The EC1 is very similar to the EC speed, but it has a thermostat on there. So you set your minimum speed, maximum speed, set temperature, and that will run EC fans all day, every day. Brilliant controller, really competitive in pricing. Come down and have a look. Then what we've got the humidity controllers. We've got the 240 volt, basically will work on any humidifier. And then you've got the special AirSonic Pro controller, basically just to control the new humidifiers we've just brought out. What we have got is a bit of a sneak preview on the brand new controller, what's going to be released next week. It's an AC/EC digital controller. Basically, if you look at this, it's a 10 amp controller. It's got a big LCD screen. It's got 2 outputs for AC, and if you look at the bottom, it's got 2 outputs for EC. This controller is like a mini Enviro controller. It does absolutely everything. Daytime temperatures, nighttime temperatures, daytime humidity, nighttime humidity, absolutely everything. Any more information on this range, go onto our website, pop down to the 2 stores, you'll find all these controllers down here. Cheers guys.